Hi Thomas, this is a quick video just to share with you the idea I had for a Go box for the FT-891, but I think the same could be done for the radios with similar form factor. So let me show you. Remember, everything here has to be cheap and easy to assemble, right? Doesn't require much skill. It's not the best Go box, but it does the job pretty well. So this is one of those cheap Amazon Pelican cases knockoff. A nano VNA, my paddle. So what I do is I unfasten this thing. This I could deploy in here, which is cool. I've been liking to put this thing here. It's actually better. For now at least, I think. So with this thing, I get the head of the radio. This is one of those Lido windshield mount. It was 30 bucks on Amazon. Again, there are better solutions out there, but this one is pretty cheap and simple. So RJ12, the cable, 6 pins, right? It's like $2. And then I connect the battery, the tuner, and the radio. Let me find the radio here. Oh, the radio is connected already. Hold on. Just change the positions. So the battery is this one, and the radio. Let me just double check here if it's not breaking. Okay, it's not. So then I just plug my antenna. This is an external speaker. I can operate with the lid of the box closed. That's what I do in the snow. This is why I take this with me to protect the sides so snow doesn't get into the radio. Pedal connected. Maybe in the future I'll get something here. For now is right, and the microphone is here as well. I keep it in a glove. Yeah, that's it. It does the job pretty well. And if I need to charge something, I went for this one, pretty cheap as well. Yeah, again, could be better ones, but if I need to charge anything or see the voltage, it's there. So yeah, so let me turn off the radio 1 second. All I did for fastening the equipment to the box is that. A fastener, I don't know the name of this, with a butterfly screw. That's really the result. That's all I do. You see, that one holds the battery. The radio and the battery fits pretty well here in the box. Does the job quite well. Maybe in the future I could put an iPad here or a screen for a Raspberry Pi, so I could use a November 1 mic log. Yeah, that's it. It's quite simple and smart, right? Does the job. It's not the best, but does the job. 73.